How to use adjectives. Adjective is an important part of speech in English grammar, and its proper understanding is required for attempting questions like spotting the errors in the verbal aptitude section. Finding an error in a sentence is a step-by-step process. Students must follow grammar rules while solving such type of questions. Let us understand the grammar usage rules for adjectives. Meaning, an adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, red book, active boy, etc. Basically, adjectives are the words that provide extra information about other words. Types. There are 3 types of adjectives. Number 1. Adjectives of quality. What kind? Delhi is a large city. He is an honest man, etc. Number 2. Adjectives of quantity. How much? I ate some rice. You have no sense, etc. Number 3. Adjectives of number. How many? The hand has 5 fingers. All men must die, etc. Example. The Ganges is the tallest river of India. This sentence is wrong. The correct answer is the Ganges is the longest river of India. Comparative and superlative. Comparative adjectives. Adjectives which are used to compare a noun to another noun. Rule: add er to form the comparative adjective. Examples: larger, smaller, faster, etc. Superlative adjectives. Adjectives which are used to compare 3 or more nouns and describe the upper or lower limit of the object's quality. Rule: add est to form the superlative adjective. Examples: largest, smallest, fastest, etc. Participles. A participle is a verb that ends in ing or ed and functions as an adjective. It modifies nouns and pronouns. Present participle, ing. A present participle describes a present condition. For example, my mother is next to the lady wears the red hat. This sentence is wrong. The correct sentence is my mother is next to the lady wearing the red hat. Past participle, ed. A past participle describes something that has happened. For example, the completely rot tooth finally fell out of his mouth. This sentence is wrong. The correct sentence is the completely rotted tooth finally fell out of his mouth. Hope you find this video on how to use adjectives useful. For more such videos, visit Aptitude videos on www.jagranjosh.com.